Hello everyone! I'm so happy to share to you this new item available. So this is a customized handbag. This is only 350 NT for anyone who is interested. Bakit? Kasi it's customized. In Taiwan, usong-uso na po talaga ang native na handbag. It's not only comfortable to use, magaan, kahit ang dami mo nang nilagay sa loob nito, it's still convenient to use, talagang ang ganda niyang gamitin, and very durable. And of course, it's waterproof. Now, ang mga typical na ganitong handbag sa Taiwan, wala po siyang buttons, but this handbag na customized for anyone who is interested, it doesn't only have buttons, there is also a coin purse included na napaka-cute kasi it's detachable. Now, if you want to change from one bag to another, you can just detach this coin purse. Tapos, kasya ang iyong mga cards, money, at marami pang iba. So, what are you waiting for? If you're interested, you can just message Hello Philtai page for this customized handbag. And before anything else, of course, enjoy watching this new tool I have. This is a little bit pricey. Talagang pricey siya. But it's worth it. Talagang napakasarap at napakasaya niyang gamitin. Now, if you guys are interested, don't forget you just message Hello Philtai page to assist you. And we're done with our beautiful handbag.